The house we're exploring today is located in the historic center of Mérida, Mexico, and is part of what was once a residence from the early 20th century. Over time, the property was divided multiple times until it reached its current dimensions, with just a 4.5-meter wide frontage, a quarter of its original size. Casa Lorena is surrounded by tropical vegetation, where a small pool blends seamlessly with white concrete stairs. The pool, set against one of the side walls, is compact, a necessity due to the limited space. However, its role as the central element of the terrace is emphasized by details such as a pebble-lined base with circular steps, creating a playful atmosphere within this urban retreat that redefines the concept of a townhouse. The private area of the house features 2 bedrooms. This section introduces a modern volume added during the renovation, composed of a series of cubes at different heights, finished in chukum pigmented in shades of blue. The small garden along the pool's edge represents an efficient landscaping solution in a compact space, combining various types of vegetation, from palm trees to deciduous trees and shrubs. The ground floor bedroom is accessed via a wooden deck. A small ventilation space connects to the bathroom, creating a sense of openness. The staircase leads to the second bedroom, which mirrors the spatiality of the first level. Despite its reduced size, the house retains its historical charm through a pastel-toned color palette and rich textures. The result is a small urban retreat that transports us to simpler times. The terrace connects to the kitchen through tempered glass doors anchored to the original wooden frames, allowing natural light to enter while framing views of the gardens. On the walls, all finishing layers were removed, exposing the aged stone beneath. The roof consists of a wooden structure that reuses the Marseille clay tiles originally present in the house. A large archway separates the kitchen from the small living room, which boasts a ceiling height of over 5 meters. The kitchen features a central island made of white quartz and blue-toned pasta tile coverings. The hydraulic tile flooring revives the identity of traditional Yucatan architecture. The space still preserves its Decauville beams, brought from France during the Hennequin, Cicero era, which were part of the construction system of that period, along with wooden beams. Hidden behind its discreet facade, Casa Lorena enchants with its history and textures, captivating with its pastel tones. From the delicate pastel-colored volumes in the social area to the rawness of the open courtyard and the refined aesthetics of the bedrooms, the house reveals itself as a true urban retreat, a small private universe capable of transporting us to a simpler past while maintaining its connection to the present.